Hello guys! So today we are going to teach you the secrets on how to become taller. So this is Alea.
Hello.
She is 9 years old, turning grade 4, and her height is 5'1.5". And here I am, Nala. I am 13 years old and my height is still 5'2". So as you can see, even though I am 4 years older than her, I am only half an inch taller than her. So we will be showing you our heights using the measuring tape to see better our heights. So we will be showing you height comparisons of Alea and her classmates.
Yeah.
So Alea, how did you become taller? What are your secrets?
Tip number 1. I don't drink medical serum to make myself taller.
And we do not have any foreign blood.
I only drink cherry fur when I was a little kid.
So you may be wondering, I am drinking cherry fur, but why am I not still growing up? So here is another tip to help you grow faster. So,
Tip number 2.
science says that during summer, children tend to grow faster. Do you know why?
I don't know. Why?
Well, it is because of the sunlight. The sunlight contains vitamin D, and vitamin D helps you strengthen your bones. So, when you go out to play, there is sunlight. So, it will help you strengthen your bones and help you grow naturally.
I get it now. But can it release stability from your body?
Well, sure it can because of the heat.
Oh.
So, now we will go to the third and most important tip.
Tip number 3.
So guys, do you know acupuncture? We will show you. So here is the most important tip. Acupuncture. When you press these points, it will help you grow taller. You see, my sister has trouble going to sleep. So my mother presses these points to help her sleep.
It's very comfortable too.
Yes, and coincidentally, it also helped her grow taller.
And help me to go to sleep again.
You see? This is a very effective way. This is our secret.
Yep. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please try these new tips that we told you. Bye!